Today I'm going to show you how to make almond butter cookies using just these 3 ingredients. Now this recipe has been going around on the internet for ages. I have made them in many different forms. I've made peanut butter ones just using a jar of nut butter. This time I found in my pantry a jar of almond butter, and since we're moving soon, everything needs to get used up. I thought I'd make these, film it real quick. I'll leave a link to the recipe down below, and then if you've never made these before, you'll know how. Then they're super easy. So what I've got is a cup of almond butter over there. It's made a lot of mess in the background, as you can see. I've got a cup of almond butter, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of stevia, but use your sweetener of choice. I have in the past, prior to my keto low carb days, used coconut sugar, raw sugar, and I've used about 1/2 cup in those days, but I found a 1/4 cup of stevia is just perfect because it's a lot sweeter. So yep, and now we're just going to combine them together and make some cookies. Right, I've got myself a bowl, and it's really as easy as combining together the almond butter, egg, and stevia together in a bowl. And we'll just stir those through together gently because your almond butter might be a little bit on the hard side. So we're going to stir until we've got a cookie batter. And that takes no time at all. Now that we've got the perfect cookie dough, I'll move it aside. I've got parchment lined cookie tray that's been nicely greased. And then we'll drop about a teaspoon or so per cookie. There you go, about a teaspoon or so. Get them all lined, and then you can flatten them with a fork if you like. So as I said, you could grab a teaspoon each, or the alternative is to grab a little teaspoon in your hands, give them a little roll and a pat down, and that makes nice flattened little cookies just like that. There you go. I've got 20 almond butter cookies out of my batter. Now they're going to go into an oven which is preheated behind me to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll keep a watch on them. Just ignore the noise behind me. I am cooking lunch. So the cookies are at the oven. Yay, they smell so good. They need a bit of time to crisp up. And that's it. That's pretty much how you make these beautiful almond butter cookies. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you leave a like and subscribe for more yummy inspirations just like this. Take a look at these cookies. Make sure you leave a like and a comment. I always appreciate your interaction on my videos. And check down below for the recipes so you can get all the volumes and the temperature you need to cook them at and all that kind of thing. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye.